Here we are, Father's Day, the yacht club. I've walked out on the main pier, and I can walk the other side, but a bit more difficult to get to. It's a lovely sunny day. Temperature is 27 degrees today. We have 28 tomorrow and probably about 27 for the rest of the week. Looking forward to a nice beer and a churrasco. Oh, beleza! Bom dia! Here on the other side of the club we have a new churrasco and area, and this will be utilised shortly. Good word, utilised. Okay, here on the other side of the club you can see all the boats here, and I look back at the area where I've just walked and filmed. Here is another lounge for the exclusivos, and you can drink and eat here and just walk straight onto your boat, which is about 10 meters in front. This area is very quiet and a little bit away from the main part. Here we have all the jet ski boats, Yamahas, a wide variety here. And over here we have the main boatyard.